I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. This is Forex No Deposit Nation and I'm glad you found this video. And today I'll be showing you all how to get a 5k account for new users, right? And there is a withdrawal proof from this account and all these details will be clearly explained, right? And I also emailed them just to know once you satisfy the terms and conditions if you'll be able to withdraw from this account. And then I got an affirmative response. As you could see the response between me and their customer support, right? As you could see the email message which says, dear client, profit from the free challenge are not withdrawable directly during the challenge, but if you successfully pass the free challenge, complete both steps and your account is upgraded to a funded account after verification, then profit earned on the funded account can be withdrawn according to the rules and the regulation that comes with this account. That shows you that once you satisfy the terms and conditions that comes with this 5k free account, you'll be able to make something good out of this account. I especially send this message to their support just to see the response, because I got a response from some people stating that they were not able to withdraw from this account. And if you satisfy these terms and conditions without skipping any of these phases, you too will be able to withdraw from this account. But firstly, you need to pass their first and second evaluation stage, and I'll be explaining all this in this video and how to go over this process so you just have an idea. This video will be guiding you thoroughly. And what you can see on the screen is my Telegram channel where I do latest no deposit update, free funded account and no deposit update, and the link will be available in the description of this video, and it would also be pinned in the comment section. So after watching this video, use the link in the description or the link in the pinned comment and you'll be directed to my Telegram channel. And in my Telegram channel, you'll be finding the link required to get this particular 5k account. And if you know you are seeing my channel for the first time, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to other traders who need this kind of video out there, right? So let's get started on the process that comes with getting this account. So you'll be brought to this particular section and you can see the select evaluation fees, and you'll be tapping on the free challenge account, right? So once you tap on the free challenge account, you just have to wait and you'll be brought to this kind of interface showing the special offer on my screen. So under this special offer, you will be having this kind of interface depending on the kind of interface you are shown while trying to sign up for this account. So you'll be tapping on the start now, right? And you'll be brought to this checkout section, and under this checkout section you'll be inputting both your billing information, your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, your phone number, including your country's postal code. All will be inputted respectively. And once you come to this section, you input your first name, and I want you all to know that once you are inputting these details, make sure you input your correct name, your correct surname, so that you don't have any future issue whatsoever, right? This is just my humble advice, so you don't have any issue whatsoever. And to get this account, you won't be needing a KYC verification, but I would urge you after getting this account just to verify your account so you don't have any future issue whatsoever, right? So once you input all these details, as I already stated that you would also be inputting your country's postal code. And if you don't know your country's postal code, you can check it up online just to search for it, right? You can just Google it and then you get your country's postal code. And once all these details is filled successfully, you could see the total. To get this account, you'll be depositing $0. That shows you that we are getting this account absolutely for free. And you could see the checkout section. So now once you click on the pay now for this account, which I already told you guys, right, that you are getting this account absolutely for free, right? This is the 5k account, right? So you'll be sent an email verification code, right? And once this email verification code is sent to your email address, you'll be receiving this kind of OTP, your one-time password. And once you receive this one-time password, you just have to copy it, head back to this registration interface, right? You'll be doing these details as fast as possible and then tap on verify account. And once you tap on verify account, right, you just have to wait for it to load out, and then you'll be signed up successfully for this account. And I'll be explaining all details and more details regarding getting this account. And in case you didn't receive any OTP in the first try, right, once you request for the OTP, you can just tap resend OTP. And once you tap on resend OTP, you just have to refresh your email address, right? And if you can find it in your email address, you can just check your spam folder or other junk folder for this particular OTP address. And now that we are signed up for this account, you could see the interface where you'll be brought in directly. And under this interface showing on the screen, rather, you could see various paid accounts, right? You'll be seeing various paid account, but the account we are going to be getting is a free 5k account. Previously this 5k account was a 10k free account, but due to some reason it's now a 5k free account. And you could see the cycled menu button showing on the left hand side of the screen, right? You'll be tapping on the menu button, and once you tap on this menu button, you'll be brought to this particular kind of interface. Depending on the country where you are residing and the kind of interface that will be shown to you, but you'll be seeing this kind of interface, right? And you could see the dashboard, you could see the checkout page, you could see the buy challenge. You don't have any business with the buy challenge, and you could see the withdrawal section, the document section. In case you want to verify your KYC details, you can come back to those sections, right? And you'll be clicking on the dashboard, which is also cycled on the screen. You could see the dashboard cycled on the screen, and once you tap on the dashboard that was cycled on the screen, you could see the cycled blue little box on the screen, right? You'll be tapping on it under this funded section, and once you tap on it, you'll be brought to the interface of the 5k free account. As I already told you guys that previously this account was a 10k account, but due to some reason it's now a 5k account. And I want you all to know that the profit target that comes with this account for the phase 1 and phase 2 account can change and might vary, right? And the terms and conditions that will be explained might be different from what you'll be getting now, and even if it's the same, you just have to pay attention. And I'll be explaining something important that makes some people lose this kind of account, and it's their consistency rule. I don't want you guys to make mistake while trading with this account, and I'll be explaining this consistency rule in the terms and conditions, right? So you'll be tapping on trade account, which was also cycled. Once you come back to this kind of interface, and once you come back to that kind of interface, of which we tapped on the blue section previously, you'll be tapping on the trade section, which was also previously cycled, right? And once you tap on it, you'll be brought to their web version, and you can decide to use their app to trade this 5k account. And once you are brought to this interface showing on my screen, you'll be finding your 5k account already claimed on this interface. As I already told you guys that you don't need the KYC verification to get this account, but I would urge you to verify your account so you don't have any future issue whatsoever. And I also want you all to know that you won't be trading this account using your MT5 or your MT4. You'll be using their official web version to trade this account, or better still their app, whichever one suits you best. But you'll be brought to this particular interface on your Chrome or your particular browser, right? And once you are brought to this interface, as I already explained it previously, that you'll be seeing your 5k account. And in as much as you can trade on the trading view interface and you familiarize yourself with the trading view interface, you would also be able to trade with this account on this particular browser section, right? And you'll be seeing the buy section, the sell section. All you need, you'll be finding them on this interface. And you could see the market section showing on the left hand side on the screen, the portfolio, the history, and the menu section, including where you'll be inputting your lot size that you are wishing to trade with. As you could see the 0.01, you could see the sell section, the buy section, and you could see the XAU USD, right? You can just click on each of these sections so you can trade with it. And to actually open trade with this account is as straightforward as possible. You just have to go through this interface, and you'll be seeing the margin, you'll be seeing more details about this account, and you could see the search section showing up on this interface. You just have to familiarize yourself. In the space of 30 minutes to 15 minutes, you'll be very familiar with this interface and this browser section, right, to trade with this account without going through a lot of stresses. And you could see I have previously passed their phase 1 in their phase 2 account, and I can better explain all these details regarding the terms and conditions to you guys properly. And as I told you guys that their profit target for the terms and conditions, right, that you need to note might change and might vary, right? And I'll be explaining these terms and conditions, but what I want you all to really pay attention to is the consistency rule that comes with the stage 2 of this account, the phase 1 and the phase 2. The phase 2 has the consistency rule, and here most traders blow up their account. Even if they successfully pass the phase 2 account, they might still be ineligible to get a funded account, right? So I would want you to pay attention to this consistency rule. Although the profit target for the phase 1 account is simply 7%, but as I told you guys that it might vary, and you just have to be updated about the current profit target that comes with this account. And for the phase 2 it's about 10%, and the drawdown limit, overall drawdown is 8%, the daily is 4%, which will be calculated from the previous midnight equity, right? And the profit split is simply 50% on the funded account. And importantly, as I told you guys that I'll be explaining this consistency rule, and you could see in the step 2 account, you must be active on at least 3 trading days to be eligible for the funded account. And what this simply means is that even if you can meet the profit target of this phase 2 account in a single day, I would urge you that you split this profit target into 3 consecutive trading days, right? And if you do it this way, your account won't be buried. And for example, if the profit target on the phase 2 account is a 10%, right, you have to trade this 10% profit target into 3 days or more than that, right? And if you do it this way, your account won't be buried. And on the first day, you can trade about 4% or 3%. The second day, you can also trade about 3% or 4%, but better still 3%. And on the third day, you can also trade the 3% just to be consistent with this rule. And on the fourth day, you can trade the 1% just to make it the 10%, right? So that you can trade consistently on this account, and so your account won't be breathed, and so you can get a funded account. This is how you really need to know about getting this 5k free funded account. And if you know you are seeing my channel for the first time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to other traders who need it. I hope you have a lovely and wonderful trading day.